This house is so freaking messy. There's always work to do around here. Look at this carpet. Been doing dishes and laundry, and there's still more work to do. Maybe there's some people around here that should help instead of playing video games. William!
Ruining the
William!
thing?
I have been waiting.
Gosh, just,
I
what?
have been waiting all day. Hey! I have been waiting all day for you to help me with the housework around here.
Later.
No, well, it's getting dark out. You're gonna vacuum, and I'm putting. You know what? I got the vacuum cleaner right here. I'm putting it in your room.
Later, Mom.
There you go.
Oh my.
I'll be downstairs. You know what is going on up there? I just asked him to simply vacuum. It sounds like it's going outside. Let me go check. What's going on? What are you doing out there?
You wanted me to vacuum? I'll show you vacuuming.
What are you doing?
There you are.
You just threw the vacuum on the ground.
I didn't want to vacuum. I told you that. I told you later, Mom. You know.
This is ridiculous.